How to set up a U.S. LLC as a non-resident ecom seller. Want to sell online in the U.S. but don't live there? No problem. Here's how to set up a U.S. LLC step by step, even if you're outside the country. Step 1. Pick a state. Choose a state like Wyoming or Delaware. They're popular for online businesses because they have low fees and simple rules. Step 2. Get a registered agent. You need a U.S. address to receive mail for your business. That's what a registered agent does. You can hire one online. It costs about $100 per year. Step 3. Apply for your LLC. Go to the state's website or use a service like Zen Business or LegalZoom. Fill out your company name and details. It only takes a few minutes. Step 4. Get your EIN. This is your business tax ID. Non-residents can get it by sending a form called SS4 to the IRS, or you can pay a service to do it faster. And that's it. Now you can open a U.S. bank account, set up Stripe or PayPal, and start your e-commerce business. Thanks for watching.